I'm a wild lion. I'm a horse.
That's Rachel. That's Rachel, not a horse.
Then what could I be?
You could be a chimpanzee. Be a Kanta. Be a Cassie. Oh, that's Cassie. Be a Jacob.
Stop telling me people!
Fine. Be a hippo. Be an elephant. Be a tiger. Be a pig.
Oink,
What are you
oink,
doing out here
oink,
in your
oink,
underwear?
oink, oink. I'm being animal. It's not my underwear.
People can't
Mom,
see
it's not
you.
my underwear. Go away. Michaela, I'm not done yet.
Oh my gosh.
Give me animals.
Be a chipmunk. Be a mouse. Be a rabbit.
I don't know what the hell a rabbit does.
Be a lizard.
No. I'm done.